Hey everybody, Linnea here from Linnea's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make maple oatmeal cookies, light, delicious, and perfect for the beginning of fall. Let's get started. All right, first step is adding 1 cup brown sugar and a half a cup white sugar to your stand mixer. Then you'll add 1 cup of lightly melted butter and bring this to a fluffy consistency. Next, mix in 1 egg. Make sure the mixture is fully mixed together. I always like to scrape down my sides of the bowls to make sure that everything is fully incorporated. Add flour, salt, and baking soda. I always like to sift my dry ingredients before so I can make sure that all the clumps that might be in there are fully smoothed out. Add half the dry ingredients first. Then, when it's almost fully combined, you can add the second half. Next step, you'll want to scrape down the sides of your bowl and make sure that your whip is completely cleaned off. Take your batter and put it right into your next bowl. I like to use a glass bowl so that I can see fully what I'm working with. I can get a good grasp of the bowl as well. Now for the fun part, taking your oatmeal and putting it into the batter. Take your batter and add 2.5 cups of oats. Any kind of oats will work. Add in half a teaspoon of cardamom and 1 teaspoon of maple extract. Fully combine your oats into the mixture. Next, grab 2 baking trays that are lined with parchment paper. I used a 2-ounce ice cream scooper and it was perfect for the amount of cookie dough. Lightly press down on your cookies so that they're a flat and even consistency. Now, once they're all prepared, let's toss them in the oven. You will want to bake these cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 13 minutes. While they bake, I like to make my icing and just set it aside. Add 1 cup powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Make sure the mixture is completely combined and all the clumps out of the powdered sugar are completely smooth. Once you see your cookies are golden brown, take them out and let them come to room temperature. All right, now that all of our cookies are pretty much cooled off, we can go ahead and add our icing right to the top. So all you're gonna do is give it 1 good little swirl and you can drizzle it right on over. Everybody in our family loves these cookies. They typically don't last more than a day, but if they do in your family, feel free to put them in a glass container, store them for up to 4 days, and they'll keep all of their chewiness. They're absolutely delicious. Thanks for tuning in. We can't wait to see you in our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to these videos to see way more cooking and baking videos coming soon. Don't forget to leave a comment as well if there's anything else that you want to see from us. We'll see you in the next episode.